Hello everyone, you are welcome to Mining Knowledge YouTube channel. Today we have come with a new topic. Especially this topic is based on two specific term and important term, that is mine environmental management plan and mine closure plan. These terms are very much important uh, related to any mining examination, that may be statutory examinations like mining Sardar Overman or first class, second class examination. These two terms and two points are very much important either for MCQ or objective type questions. So let's start today's topic, environmental management plan. What is environmental management plan? Management plan can be defined as an environmental management tool which is used to ensure the reasonably adverse impacts of the construction, operation and decommissioning of a project that are prevented and the positive benefits of the projects are enhanced. So, with the help of EMP or environmental management plan, we can prevent adverse ROS effect to the environment due to any activity, that may be mining activity, mining operations, constructions or any other factory or industry which causes as a result of different operations which causes the adverse impact, ROS impact to the environment. So this is the plan which prevent, minimize or reduce the environmental impact through different strategy, different processes. What is the purpose of EMP? Environmental management plan describes how the environmental impact or adverse impact to the natural environment to be reduced. There are some clear commitments or instructions from the persons or organizations that is the owner or CEO or the board which continues or deals the or operates the total organizations or industry, and how the actions are being taken to prevent, minimize or reduce the environmental impacts during and after the operations or process that are being continued by the organizations or the industry. So main purpose is to protect the environment by reducing, preventing or reducing or minimizing the environmental impacts or adverse impact over the environment which are being incorporated by the different activities, either maybe mining activities or other industry activities. So this is the main purpose of EMP or environmental management plan. How environmental management plan formed? Formation of EMP: when any detailed project report of any project that or any mining industry is made, at the same time environmental management plan EMP should be there at the same time. So as and when the concept of a detailed project report or the commissioning of the detailed project report or the formation of detailed project report comes up, at that time environmental management plan, there should be a plan, and either without EMP environmental management plan the DPR should not be passed. So during the mining operations or activity, the EMP should be started either before, during and after the operations to protect or to prevent the environmental damage, as these are the consequences of the mining activity or mining operations. So we have to take steps to prevent the environment, to protect the environment by minimizing, reducing or preventing such adverse effects, such ROS effects to the environment. What are the salient features of the environmental management plan? The salient features of EMP or environmental management plan are environmental impact assessment. What is environmental impact assessment? Through this, the impact or adverse effects are assessed through these tools or to these techniques. Second one is the environmental pollution control. What are the pollutions are being done by the mining activity or other industry activity, that should be controlled in a scientific manner or in a strategic manner And the last one is the EMP implementation and monitoring. How the steps are implemented or monitored, that should be also the part of the environmental management plan. So these are the salient features of the environmental management plan. What is environmental impact assessment? The first salient features of the environmental management plan. The environmental impact assessment is basically a process which evaluates the likely environmental impacts of a proposed project or any development, or taking such few factors, or taking such considerations like socio-economic factors, cultural and human health impacts, which including beneficial and adverse effects. So environmental impact assessment basically a assessing tool or assessment which is done based on socio-economic factor, cultural and human factors over the environment. What is the impacts is being proposed, what are the impacts is being done by the industry or by the mining activities. So this is a assessing tool or assessment tool, environmental impact assessment. Second term or second topic is mine closure plan, MCP. What is mine closure plan? After any mining activity, when it is being done, the land is degraded very much. So from the environmental point of view, we have to protect the environment, we have to protect the land, we have to protect the vegetations and the lives which are being planted, or which are leaves at that places, or which before the mining activity at those places, what are the lives were living at that places. So we have to bring them back in such a way so that the ecosystem, so the previous ecosystem is balanced or sustained like the normal situation. So we have to take such steps to close the mines in a scientific way so that the environment is protect and it becomes as usual as it was the previous situations. So mine closure plan involves planning effectively for the after mining landscape or land reclamations, all activities required before the mining operations, during the operations, and after the operations of a life of a mine, and that should be acceptable manner, and should be also economically, so as to bring the situation or the landscape and the reclamation should be done in such a way that it is comes back in the previous situation, and the mine closure plan should be started at the mining operation started at the same time. So simultaneously both the plan or both the operations to be continued to get a good comeback or bringing up the situations of the environment or the land. Objective of mine closure plan. What are the objective of mine closure plan? The mine closure plan, the basic objective is to prevent or to minimize the long-term damage of the environment. Main objective is to prevent or minimize or reduce the long-term environmental damage. Second objective is to sustain the natural ecosystem where different types of lives or plants are living. So we have to bring them back the natural ecosystem so that all the lives including plants and animals or small insects that come back into that environment. So a strategic framework to be made for to fulfilling the objective of the mine closure plan, and there should be some guidelines to follow, and there should be good implementation and monitoring of the mine closure plan. So now the type of mine closure plan. What are the type of mine closure plan available? There are two type of mine closure plan readily available, that is mine closure, progressive mine closure plan and final mine closure plan. Progressive mine closure plan. What is progressive mine closure plan? This closure plan started as the mining operation begins and continue up to the life of the mine. So progressive mine closure plan progresses simultaneously or parallelly when the mining operation starts and it ends up to the life of the mine. And what is about final mine closure plan? Final mine closure plan just picking up, or it gets its peak point before the final mining operations or before ending of the mining operations. including topsoil management or turning the land at its original positions, and including some formation or some characteristics or some structural view of the land. So this is including the final mine closure plan. So progressive starts parallelly, but final mine closure plan starts just before the ending of the mine closure plan, before the ending of the mining operations or before the end of the mining activity. So these are the mine closure plans. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe for more videos.